What's up, guys? Recently, we've been covering many different AI coding tools. We recently covered Tempo Labs, PRD.AI. We covered Pythagora, Brew Code, Klein, Bolt.DIY, Cursor, Lovable, V0, and even something called WebSim. Now, I've mentioned before that there are different categories when it comes to AI coding tools. There's the IDE category, so tools like Windsurf, Cursor, and there is the in-browser category, stuff like V0, Lovable.dev, Bolt.new, and etc, etc. Now, today's tool that we're going to be talking about is, I would say, more similar to something like WebSim, and this tool is called Sitebrew.AI. We're not going to waste any time. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, so I will leave a link down below to Sitebrew.AI. Once you go here, you'll see a featured section. So this is just featured apps from the community. As you can see, Game of Life Interactive, Wellness Planner, Matrix Rain, Expense Tracker, Time Zone Comparison, a bunch of different options. You could obviously keep scrolling down, and there is tons and tons and tons. Actually, it looks like there are some duplicate ones here, just as a side note, but let's go to the latest section. So you can check featured or latest. Of course, if you're in latest, you'll see that some of these are 48 minutes ago, 1 hour ago. So you got different things like an AI presentation platform, a no-code crypto workspace, a cyber weather app, AI vehicle security, a bunch of different options here. So these are good because I always like when an AI coding tool has this, because it gives you ideas, inspirations, and potentially even a starting point. So you could use the search bar here to search for ones if you'd like. For example, let's say we wanted to click on the Game of Life. We can go ahead, click on this, and boom, it opens the Game of Life. So we can see about the game right here. All right, you could read all about it right here, the rules right here, and you could change the speed, the grid size like so. So if we want to decrease the grid size to maybe 14 times 14, we could do so. We could toggle light mode or dark mode on. We could change the colors like so. Okay, you could click the reset button here, and then you could simply just click play. All right, now I'm not going to play it right now. You can see alive, died, etc. So you can go up and sign in right here. If you sign in, you'll continue with Google. All right, so now I'm signed in. You can go ahead and join the Discord if you want to be a part of the community. You'll see that we have the prompt chat right here. We'll come back to this in just a second. Let's go over to our project. So really there's three main areas: explore, projects, and then create. So as you can see, we don't have any projects right now. So let's go ahead and create one. So I'm going to say make a fully functioning accounting app for bookkeeping, make it advanced with loads of features. You could attach files if you want to, like images or whatnot, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on send. And as you can see, we have version 1 that is being created. So we can see our prompt right here. We can see that it is importing different React libraries right here and writing the actual React code, which is great. I think I actually was a little bit wrong here. If we go over to WebSim and do the same prompt, oh, this is actually really cool. Just as a side note, looks like WebSim upgraded some of their models. So O3 Mini, Sonnet 3.5, DeepSeek R1. That's really cool that they have this. Let's just use the Gemini Flash 2.0 right here. And we're doing the exact same prompt. Now this is WebSim. The thing with WebSim is that it's in HTML. So it's actually a little bit different. Sitebrew is actually in React. So if we go over to the code right here, like I showed you, you can see that this is React code, which is nice. I personally prefer that. And as you can see here, we have our financial management system. And this is just with one prompt, guys, which is pretty cool. We can see our dashboard, our transactions here, and it's actually cool that it has all this reports. So transactions, we can go by our filter right here. So income, expense, we have our categories right here, different amounts, description. So let's say we did our amount right here. Oops. Let's do like this, description, add transaction. So it's not working. We could obviously fix that. Dashboard. So we have our months, dates, types, export to CSV, all that good stuff. Now, what I like here is you can easily click on add new features. So click on that, or you can say, hey, there's an error, or make it look nicer, or simply just retry. Now up here, you'll see the different versions you're on. And then you can also publish. So say if we wanted to publish this, which we just did, now we'll see our website's live right here. So if I shared this with someone, they could easily access this website right here. Now, when you're actually viewing a website on Sitebrew, you'll see that down in the bottom right, you can either click random to go to someone else's random site, like now we're on a psychoanalysis, or we could click remix. So say if we really like this app and we wanted to use it and change it, then we simply just click remix and we can go from there. Are you tired of pouring thousands of dollars into appointment setters only to watch leads slip away? Imagine having a team of elite sales agents booking qualified appointments for you around the clock. No more wasted time on training, no more frustration with performance, and no more draining your budget on inconsistent and expensive call centers. Introducing Stride Agents, AI-powered appointment setters that work 24/7, never get tired, and book appointments while you sleep. Trained on thousands of successful conversations, our AI agents outperform human teams at just 1/10 of the cost. Join the ranks of businesses that doubled their appointments and booking rates in just a matter of weeks. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Visit strideagents.com now and transform your entire sales process with cutting-edge AI technology. It's time to accelerate your stride with AI agents. Like, let's say that I really like this AI workflow builder website and I click on Remix. Now you can see that we got this exact landing page right here in our builder. And as we can see, this is someone else's project. We can simply just click on Remix. Let's say I click this right here. Now it's setting it up. Now I'm going to say add an interactive calculator that the user can use that will show how much money and time they will be saving on a weekly and monthly basis with our AI workflow building tool. And I'm going to go ahead and click send. Now you can see it is started version 2 right here. So it's rewriting the code, all that good stuff with our ROI calculator. Okay, and boom, now we have our ROI calculator. We have our hourly rate here, hours per task, tasks per week, and automation efficiency. And as you can see, as we're dragging this slider down or changing some of these hours right here, we can see our potential savings. So weekly savings, 9 hours, $702. Monthly savings, 36 hours, $2,800. So pretty cool that it actually works. And just with these prompts, like this tool actually does a pretty good job out of box building some cool things, which is actually really nice to see. Now you may have noticed it's saying upgrade for unlimited messages plus more. So, okay, so this is actually one thing I'm just realizing is that it is very limited on their free plan. So that is the one major downside. I personally, if you were thinking of using this, I would try out their free and see if it even makes sense to use their pro, or you could just use their free plan periodically. Like if you need something specific for a generation and you get a sense that Sitebrew is really good at generating that, then maybe you could use those only 3 generations a month. They're very kind of stingy with those 3. I think they should definitely give you at least like 3 a day. And then they have the pro plan, which is typical $20 a month. You know, that's the same you're going to pay for something like Bolt.new or Lovable. I just don't know if it is necessarily worth this amount. I mean, you guys can be the judge in the comments down below. But there you get unlimited generations a month, private projects, commercial license, custom domain, code export, early access to new features. Now, I will say that this is definitely still a cool tool, and I haven't seen many people talking about it, which is why I definitely wanted to cover it. But if you do go through some of the featured sections here, like I was showing you, there are some pretty cool tools like that this is actually able to generate, which is why I think it's actually a useful tool, because it does a pretty good job at generating some unique things. Like this is the matrix stuff. It's really slow and laggy here, but there's a bunch like we covered. But like I said at the start of this video, we've been covering many different AI coding tools, and a lot of these tools have their pros and cons. Some are definitely better than others, but even some that are worse, I've still been able to see, okay, well, maybe this one has these features that are actually pretty interesting or pretty cool or useful. I think these features could be added into some of these other tools and maybe align with where the future of AI coding is going. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below about Sitebrew. Have you used it before? Are you going to use it? How do you think it compares to some of these other tools out there? I do like that it generates React code, because that's always useful for me at least. But what I don't like by any means is their limitations with the free plan. I think they should definitely provide more value in the free plan. But anyways, guys, if you're new to this channel, we upload videos all the time on AI, marketing, sales, business growth, AI agents. So if you like that type of content, you got some value here, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with the uploads. Also too guys, if you haven't already joined our free Facebook group and Discord channel, stridecommunity.com, I'll leave a link down below. And then also too guys, check out our Stride.AI Academy where you can join for behind the scenes resources, templates, tools, courses, trainings that are going to be uploaded in there very soon. So it's currently free. It may not be in the future, so join while you still can. And then also too guys, if you run a business and you need help implementing AI agents into your business, like AI appointment setters, AI automation, AI call center, streamline your sales process or your operations or your CRM, whatever the case may be, book a call down below at executivestride.com/apply, and we'll show you exactly how we can implement AI agents into your business to help you accelerate your stride. Other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and of course, guys, accelerate your stride. Take care.